In Project 5, we built Word Scramble, a game where users were given a random 8-letter word and had to produce new words using its letters. This mostly works great with VoiceOver. No parts of the app are inaccessible, although that doesn't mean we can't do better. To see an obvious pain point, try adding a word. You'll see it slide into the table underneath the prompt, but if you tap into it with VoiceOver, you'll realise it isn't read well. The letter count is read as 5 circle, and the text is a separate element. There are a few ways of improving this. Probably the best is to make both those items a single group, where the children are ignored by VoiceOver. Then add a label for the whole group that contains a much more natural description. Our current code looks like this. We've got a list of used words, an image, and some text. That relies on an implicit H stack to place the image and text side by side. So to fix this, we need to create an explicit H stack so we can apply our VoiceOver customization. The H stack itself accepts a closure for its content, which means we can no longer rely on $0 from the list. So we'll use a name parameter instead. Replace the current list with this. I'll do word in, H stack, and end it here. Dot accessibility element, children dot ignore, accessibility label, text, word, comma, word.count, letters. If you try the game again, you'll see it now reads spill 5 letters, which is much better.